welcome to a thing. Didn't really plan on making this, but I thought I'd just do it because. So let's get into it. I bought, a few weeks ago, one of these. Now these are from a company called Displate, and let's close the door to get rid of the echo. They make, basically these are big metal things that you hang on your wall. I cannot remember for the life of me what they are made of, but they are made of a very lovely little material. I'll go through that in a bit. So, yeah, a few weeks ago I bought this one here, the Saturn one. This is all designed by one person on the site. Obviously, not sponsored, because look at my channel. Yeah, this is all designed by one person. This set, you can get sets from loads of different people doing loads of different things. It's a really cool little thing. Anyway, I bought this one here of Saturn. And in the box, I got a 30% coupon, or 30% off coupon. And yeah, I went a little bit overboard. So there's now 10 of these. And they're basically, it's the solar system. There's a couple more in the set, but it's all like the larger asteroids and a couple of moons. And I'm not... I didn't feel the need to spend an extra, £90 on that. But let's not go into how much it's cost. Anyway, so I now have the entire solar system: the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, King George. I'm just going to bring that one in. Neptune, and of course everyone's favourite, Pluto. And the reason I'm making this video is because I'm having a fun little time working out how to hang them up. I've got some little calculations here of how I need to do it. Basically, they're going up my stairs. I'm going to try and film that, the process of doing that. But they hang on the wall with these little magnets, so you don't have nails on them. You have like a magnet where you peel off the film, stick that to the wall, and then you just take off the display and you move them around as you need to. But because it's the solar system, you've got to have it in order. So I'm going to have the Sun at the top of the stairs, and Pluto, lovely little Pluto, it's going to be right at the bottom of the stairs. So it's going to be all in order downwards like that. So let's see how well this goes. Let's see how my maths have worked out. And, you know, fuck it. How bad can it be? So a slight error at this point. I appear to have got my measurements wrong. Oh well, I didn't take proper account of the gradient that I was working on. I appear to have got the gradient wrong, at least partly, and it doesn't quite go up to the top as far as I'd want, so we don't have enough space at the moment for all of them. Which is about the least useful thing that could have happened, but I'll have to power through it and I'll see what happens. I'm going to try and take the magnets that I've stuck on the wall off, at least a good portion of them. Neptune and Pluto are fine as they are, but I think everything else is going to have to move, and then we'll see how well we can go. Otherwise, I might have just fucked up the wall. So a small update then, update number 2 probably. Yeah, it didn't go very well, I'm going to be honest. These are another packs of all the magnets. So my plan going forward is basically just to nail them all to the wall. And let's frame myself better. And yeah, I'll nail them to the wall, see where that goes. And I might do it one at a time this time as opposed to just doing them all at once. Hopefully that'll work better. We'll see. Anyway, let's get nailing. Hopefully final update. I'm now left with a sort of stylistic quandary here. As you can see, there is not enough room. Well, there's technically not enough room for Mercury, but I've sort of hammered that into a way that I can deal with. But now, do I put the Sun where Mercury is and have Mercury go below Venus in the same sort of style as Mercury? Do I put the Sun, well, do I move Mercury over to be directly sort of near, basically above Venus, and then put the Sun where Mercury is? Or do I leave Mercury where it is and put the Sun above that? That's the big question now, and I haven't got a fucking clue. Now then, I have done. I've finished it. That's what I ended up going with in the end. I thought that was the best option. It's the option that looked aesthetically best. But now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just turn off the microphone, put some nice music on, like I've probably been doing throughout the video to be honest, and take you on a nice tour through the solar system. And before I do that though, let's quickly show you what's amazing about these Displates. Again, not sponsored, I just want to show you this cool thing. So they are on, I believe it's aluminium, I might be wrong. It's a sort of brushed metal, and if I pop the microphone back into its socket so I can use a hand while talking, hopefully this isn't going to sound too shit, but if I rub my hand across the text here, oh, it's all nicely embossed, like it's like etched in, sort of embossed, and bits down here, bits everywhere along this, bits of fine detail are all embossed into the metal. It's not just a flat sheet, there's actual detail, tactile detail, and I just love it. Anyway, that's a video of me putting up some Displates, and it could have been better, could have been worse, but overall I think I'm really happy with the result. And, you know, let's go on a little tour.